Hi everyone! The Sri Lanka Press Institute, in collaboration with the International Centre for Journalists, conducted a training program on photojournalism for the first set of undergraduates on 14 September 2023. The workshop was conducted by the two-time Pulitzer Award-winning renowned journalist Esdras Suresh. This is the Hall Blue at Hilton, Colombo. Mr. Kumar Lopez, CEO at Sri Lanka Press Institute. And she is the newly appointed US Ambassador in Sri Lanka.
So this is my very first
Block the man so you don't have a person there. Go ahead. Like this. Block it. When you block the man, there's no photo. See it? So, we as human beings, we relate to other human beings. That's why the first...
We had to take street photography, so we are ready to go. Got a tuk-tuk.
Already taking photos. That's good, but I want you guys to think, not simply to stop and just what you see. No, I want you to work the angles, shoot from different perspectives, make something interesting. New angle, new perspective. Because you don't want to duplicate what you see with the eyes, because that's boring.
This is the street where we took our photographs. Here I am.
But again, you don't want to seem like a threat. You want to seem like an idiot, like a fool. I don't care. As long as you don't think I'm a threat, it's all good. But I want you to strictly look at this photo in terms of composition. There's that.
After lunch, we continued our workshop.
Still taking? Good. Okay, stay there.
Vote of thanks was done by Miss Kirtika. And I also got a chance to thank everyone for the day and for the experiences. It was one of an amazing days of my life.